Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add GitHub link in resume. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to GitHub's website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where all your repositories are listed. Now, select the repository you want to link to your resume. Choose a project that best represents your skills or something you're most proud of. After selecting it, click on the code button and you'll see several clone options. Choose the HTTPS option. It's the cleanest and most secure link for sharing. Copy the URL that appears. This is your project link. Next, open your resume. If it's a digital resume, paste the link where it fits best, usually under sections like projects or professional experience. Make sure the link is clickable for easy access. If you're adding it to a printed resume, consider using a shortened URL or generating a QR code that leads directly to your GitHub repository. Adding your GitHub link isn't just about sharing your code, it's about showcasing your growth, problem-solving skills, and technical expertise. And that's it. So that is how you can add GitHub link in resume. So that's all for this video. Thanks.